It's pretty freaking crazy. There it is. Oh my god. Oh, full throttle. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we've got a very special car. It is one of the craziest cars we've had on this channel, I would say. It's a BMW Z4 E85 by MANHART, and that means that some very cool stuff has been done to this car. Spoiler alert, it has a V10 from a BMW M5 E60. So yeah, it's pretty freaking crazy. Today I'm going to show you around it, show you all the cool stuff that MANHART has done to this car, and then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to receive updates when we upload a new video. Well, almost 80% of our viewers are not subscribed, but they do find their way to our channel on a regular basis. So please consider subscribing to our channel because it really helps us. The more subscribers, the crazier the cars. Okay, so let's begin with this Z4. Well, it's not a Z4 anymore, it's a MANHART MH Z4 600. And of course we've got the regular MANHART war paint, black with gold stripes, gold details. It looks really mean. It has a hard top. We had the option to choose between the hard top and the soft top, but because of the Autobahn stuff, we went for the hard top. We've got the MANHART Concave 1 wheels, which are always really nice, and it's cool that it's so recognizable. You know, you immediately know that this is a MANHART car. 19-inch. We've got upgraded Brembo brakes, 6-piston, 380mm at the front, M6 brakes at the rear. It has a Bilstein coilover set, and we've got some V10 logos. Very cool on the side and on the rear, with a MANHART logo right there. MH Z4 600. MANHART on the window. I mean, look at how freaking small this car is. Can you imagine that this is all engine like that? It's like a third of the car is engine. It's insane. It's so short, and you sit like almost on the rear axle. It is absolutely awesome. So another V10 badge, as I said, and we've got a stainless steel exhaust system by MANHART with the, well, this looks like the diffuser on an M5 with those inserts for the exhaust, for the tailpipes. It actually looks like an M exhaust, which is cool. Now let's move on to the important stuff, because there it is. Oh my god, that is absolutely beautiful. The V10 S85 engine from the BMW M5 E60 and E63, M5 and M6. But this also has a MANHART stroker kit. So this is not a 5-liter V10. No, that's not enough in a Z4. This is a 5.8-liter V10. Yeah, with over 600 horsepower and 640 Newton meters of torque. Redline 8250 RPM. It is freaking mental, this car. Absolutely insane. And that's why we love it. This crazy engine, it's, well, just behind the front axle. I'm happy about that. But it is very heavy compared to this car. I mean, it weighs 1450 kilos. I don't know if that's with or without this engine. It's not super heavy. It is super short. And it's got a mega engine at the front, so it's going to be crazy, of course. On the inside we've got a beautiful steering wheel, nice and small, with a MANHART badge and an M badge. We've got the gearbox from a BMW M3 E92 with a racing clutch, and we've got the differential from a BMW M5 E60. Yeah, it's so insane. So we've got a sport button right here, which you have to press to get the full amount of horsepower. and we are going to turn off traction control because otherwise it restrains so much. The power is limited so much because it is just all over the place. So yeah, we're going to drive it, and I'm going to try to convey to you what it's like to drive a BMW Z4 with a V10. So yeah, let's do the little overpass thing for a sound check, and let's do that in first gear. All right, you guys ready? Oh, yeah, it's pretty all over the place, this car. Of course, it's super short, and it's just this tiny thing, and this massive amount of horsepower is being released on this little car. It is a very, very special experience. Okay, so we've got a little bit of sand on our tires now, so have to be cautious about that as well. But oh, the car just squirms around. It's absolutely mental. By the way, this speedo doesn't tell the truth, so don't watch that one. Oh, it's so aggressive when you have it like at full whack. High RPMs, it just spins the wheels. Oh my god, it's so aggressive, but it's aggressive in a way that's very manageable, because you don't have that low down or mid-range torque, that turbo torque that surprises you. It's super predictable and very linear, and that makes it really easy to control and to estimate basically what is going to happen, how much wheel spin, how much lock, how much steering input you need. So that makes it a very, very intimidating car to drive, but not scary, and you don't feel like you lose control, which is a freaking miracle. That's what I meant. So there's no torque low down, so you can actually hit the throttle in a corner because you don't have that much power at low RPM. This thing is absolutely mental. It squirms around and just moves around underneath you, but it feels completely natural. Oh, am I in heaven or what? Okay, here we go. We've got a GPS speedometer, our draggy, so I can actually see how fast we're going, because as I said, that speedometer doesn't work. And we are going to see what it's like to drive this Z4 V10 on the Autobahn. We were at MANHART like 3 years ago, and we saw this car, or one of these Z4 V10s, and we were like, oh my god, wow, that's if we can drive something like that one day, that would be awesome. Well, here we are, and it's awesome. All right. Full throttle, third gear. Oh yes, it's fast. Okay, that's a lot of wind noise. quality in this car, but it's seriously fast. Okay, so that was it. What a car. I'm going to end it here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out the video on the right or go check out the playlist on the left. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one. Bye.